Daily College Conversations, Learn English with Friends. In today's video we will listen to a conversation between two friends Sofia and Emma in the college. You will learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are used in daily conversations. Sofia, a 17-year-old girl, cheerful and talkative. Emma, a 17-year-old girl, friendly and thoughtful. Two friends walking on campus after class, discussing their day, assignments, and weekend plans. Meeting after class.
Hi, Emma. How was your class today?
Hey, Sophia. It was good. We discussed Shakespeare in English literature. What about you?
Oh, we had a math quiz. It was tricky, but I think I did okay.
By the way, did you finish the science assignment?
Not yet. I'm still working on it. What about you?
I finished it last night. I found the research part really interesting.
Really? Maybe you can help me with it. I'm struggling with some parts.
Sure. Let's meet in the library tomorrow.
Weekend plans.
So, what are your plans for the weekend?
I might go hiking with my family. What about you?
I'm planning to stay home and binge watch some shows. I need a break.
That sounds fun too. Which shows are you watching?
There's this new series about college life. It's so relatable.
Wrapping up the conversation.
That reminds me, we have a college event next week. Are you participating?
Oh, I forgot about that. I think I'll join the drama club performance. What about you?
I'm volunteering for the organizing team. Let's make it a great event.
Definitely. All right, I'll see you tomorrow in the library.
See you, Sophia.
Vocabulary highlights. Word, discuss. Meaning, to talk about something. Example sentence, we discussed Shakespeare in class today. Word, assignment. Meaning, a task given to students as part of their studies. Example sentence, have you finished the science assignment? Idioms and expressions. Phrase, binge watch. Meaning, watching multiple episodes of a show in one sitting. Example sentence, I'm planning to stay home and binge watch some shows. Practice questions. 1. What class did Sophia have today? 2. What does Emma enjoy studying? 3. What are Sophia's plans for the weekend? 4. What does binge watch mean? Pronunciation tips. Assignment, say it slowly, assignment. Shakespeare, break it down, Shakespeare. Now it's your turn. Practice this conversation with a friend or in front of a mirror. Don't forget to use today's new words and phrases. See you in the next video. Share this video with your friends so they learn English with you. Follow for more videos. Bye for now. Take care.